HeavyCon Evo from Phoenix Contact is the inexpensive and efficient heavy-duty connector system made from fiberglass reinforced plastic or aluminum. Reduce your logistics costs. By combining various cable glands and housing sizes, you can reduce your warehousing. Depending on space requirements, you can snap the cable glands onto the housing horizontally or vertically, right at the installation site. For especially high requirements, the EMC-safe HeavyCon Evo is available in aluminum. HeavyCon Evo housing conforms to standards and so is compatible with all common aluminum housing. For more efficiency in machine building, HeavyCon Evo heavy-duty connectors from Phoenix Contact.